Hi, I'm Sunshine Brosi from Utah State University Eastern, and I'm out here with my wildlife class. We're at Miller Creek, which is in Emery County, and we're planting wetland plants along a stream. And this stream is part of a restoration project we've been working on for several years to try to restore the original watershed. So at Utah State University Eastern, we have a wildlife ecology major. So you can major in wildlife ecology and management here at the Eastern campus and get your degree all the way through. One of the great things about Eastern is we're outside for our classes. So we're getting our hands dirty and we're making a difference. And all of the things that we're doing are things that you can put on your resume and will help you meet your future employers. So we work with a lot of people that will hire you in the future, and that really helps you to get those jobs upon graduation. We have lots of different classes, but our classes spend a lot of time outside. So we have 4- and 5-hour outdoor labs. So our students come out to places like this and help to meet different agency people that they might be working for, either as summer interns or when they graduate. And they also help the county that they are going to school in. So if you're one of those people that like to learn outside and get your hands dirty, we're lucky here near Price because we have beautiful areas that are really close to campus that we can go and do projects on.